Hello everybody! 안녕하십니까 tanan. 你好，我是莫山，是三大大大马斯特万尼莎谢，萨瓦迪卡波本卡波马卡 Namaste. Welcome once again to One World Reacts, when we talk and we react to all things BL, GL, LGBT couples related, for dozens class of K-pop, B-pop, and C-pop here and there. And since you are watching this on my channel, hopefully we do not get blocked. If this gets blocked, I will post this immediately on my Patreon. Because if you guys into that and more, whether you're a new viewer, when you subscriber, returning viewer, return subscriber. Or napupuntahan mo na ako sa mga timeline sa mga feed or sa mga search results, sa mga search suggestions, things YouTube's algorithm and more. And make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, ting ting ting. Don't forget it's just the option so that you will not find whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for stopping by. 감사합니다. klopomanakap at gozaimasu. Yes, yeah. Anyways, for today's video, we'll be reacting to 5 music videos, but this is individual for the solo songs of one of the hottest and latest K-pop comeback albums in town. And these are reactions to the music videos for Subin's Sunday Driver, Yeonjun's Ghost Girl, Bomgyu's Take My Half, Taehyun's Bird of Night, and the Unikai's Dance With You. Yay! So I'm gonna be reacting to all of these music videos all in one video because I got aware, thank you very much to my memory, that they're also gonna be releasing individual music videos for each and every single solo tracks that TXT has, because based on what I've read online and also with the comeback that I discovered, the focus of their comeback is mostly about their individual solo tracks, and I believe they only have like three tracks as a group, which is Beautiful Stranger, The Star one, and as well as Under the Kiss something. Yeah, those are the tracks that I can recall that are in group. The rest are individual solo tracks that they did. So in terms of full disclosure, I already have listened to all of the songs on my own. I didn't get to do an album listen to y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm just so busy. Okay, I'm so busy with all of my reactions at the moment. But I really like Bomgyu's solo track. Like, Bomgyu's solo track is actually my favorite song out of all the solo tracks that we have, and probably also on the group tracks. Like, I am a sucker for ballads. I love ballads so much. I love the ones that, you know, not just the ones that are catchy, but also the ones that grip my soul. And I think Bomgyu really took me. Although I will say that Subin's song is a bias wrecker. It really does. So I'm excited to react to all of these music videos. Hopefully we do not get blocked, because this is 5 music videos all in one reaction. So I'm gonna be reacting to all of the music videos first, and then I'm gonna be telling my thoughts afterwards, after Hyunin's music video. So I'm gonna be reacting to them in age order, from Subin to Yeonjun to Bomgyu, Taehyun, and Hyunin, so that we are in chronological order. Okay, so we'll see how things will go in this reaction. Again, if this gets blocked, this will be on my Patreon, and I might do a highlight version on YouTube. So if you're watching the highlight version on YouTube, my full will be on Patreon, full and uncut. While if you will be seeing the full one, then congratulations, at least Big Hit Music is allowing multiple music video reactions. And if you I also reacted to Beautiful Strangers as well. I will be linking it somewhere if I can link it, but you can check it out on my K-pop is Live playlist here on the channel. And if you want to watch more exclusive content with me, more BLs, GLs, other LGBT plus rated content from Taiwan, Thailand, Japan, Korea, and all around the world, head over to my page on the page in mine. Links in the description below. Without tagalan, I'm excited, I'm intrigued. Let's get reacting to the solo tracks for Tomorrow by Together's what do you call this? The Star Chapter Together. We will start first our reactions to Subin's music video entitled Sunday Driver.
Something for us, yeah, alright.
Oh, Gar, so it's focus, mama. It's really a balladist. Oh. Also, this will be my first time knowing the lyrics of every solo track. It's a Sunday ride. Happy Sunday, by the way. Happy Sunday. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, background. I'm glad he's playing CDs based on the theme. He's aligning himself. Hey. That, it feels like a Sunday. It's focus really. Hey. Hey. Oh, wow, his vocals, wow. Hey, hey. Oh yes, you better give me animation, mama. Okay, anime, Korean anime. Presentation, Sunday driver on the pickup truck. Sunday driver. Wow, love it. I love it. Gar, I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Okay. So next up, we will be reacting to Yeonjun's Ghost Girl. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, play. And it's rated 15. Oh, here we see black bars. Yeonjun has been bulking up lately, girl. This man.
You can be my ghost girl, you can take my soul girl. 나를 잃은 채 전부 잊을게 real world.
Oh God.
You can be my ghost girl.
Yeonjun. Oh Jesus.
You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 지배당한 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. You can be my ghost girl.
Hey, hey. Oh.
I feel you 발닿는 곳 그 어디든.
Hey, hey.
꼭 듯해 너에게 전부.
Hey, when it says I'm a baddie, I'm a baddie. It's giving.
You're the one I don't wanna lose.
Oh.
지독하게 어리올라 오늘도 널 알아. 뒤척여
really getting a smoke, yes. You better talk to her. Hey, it's mad now. Hey, hey.
You can be my ghost girl, you can take my soul girl. 나를 잃은 채 전부 잊을게 real world. You can be my ghost girl.
Hey, 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 hey.
You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 거쳐 지배당한 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨.
This track really suits Yeonjun, not gonna lie.
You can be my ghost girl.
Anyway, say I'm gonna be a bad girl. Teen girl. Right.
And I don't really care, I don't really care.
Hey, 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 hey.
지옥마저 천국일 테니 baby 함께 있어줄게.
Oh, it's blindfolded now.
Darling, 너와 함께라면 걸어가 through the door.
Oh God, the vocals are vocally so bad. Hey, hey.
너로 인해서 쉬는 날 따라가 where you are 어떤
Making sounds like they're going with their music video. Oh, it's even smoking gas. Yeah. You're just better smoke, yeah.
You can be my ghost girl.
I can be your ghost girl. Or ghost gay. I can be your ghost gay. I can be your ghost gay, mama. Bitch, I can be your ghost gay. If I can be a girl, I will be a ghost gay for you.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna stay with you. I just wanna live and die with you. You can be my ghost girl.
And that is me. That is me, bitch. That is me. That is me. And that's just how things go. Okay. Let's get reacting to the next one. My fave track in the album. One of my fave tracks. Bomb Just Take My Help. Let's go, bitch. And this was just released hours ago as I'm filming this. I didn't expect Bomb to sing like that in the song. I was gagging. Yeah, this is my jam. Got the electric guitar. Oh, yeah, she better, mama. The electric guitar is giving. Hey. 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 You better sing. You better sing on K-dramas next time. Hey. 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 You better sing in K-dramas next. You better sing in OSTs. I can already imagine his voice. Girl. He's giving. Sorry. The lyrics though are motivational. It's a little heartfelt. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, Marty is so fine. Oh my god, that's a bias right there. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Oh, you better give me the animation, mama. Hey, hey. Yeah, this is my track. This is my jam.
Just take my
Oof, 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 oof. And heart a balloon.
Just take my
He better sing in OSTs. He better sing in K-drama OSTs, mama. He better sing in K-drama OSTs. He better sing in K-dramas, in movies, and I'm very much here for it. Okay, next up we'll be reacting to Taehyun's Birth of Night in 3, 2, 1, play. I'll tell more of my thoughts to you. Oh, Taehyun. Terry. also love his
불안함
vocals though.
속에
I love his vocals.
무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 단건 뭘까 내가 전부 흐려져가 날개를 펴 like a bird all night 잠든 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 밤 나만의 night flight
Okay, animation.
어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은
Boy, the editing. Okay.
We should let it go. 불확실한 감정들의 이름 전부 뜨는 저 바다의 이유 세상이 어떠든 언젠가는 glow 내려다본 도시 흔들리는 street lights 마치 내 맘 같아 이름 모를 이의 고민 속에 널 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향한 내 곁이시 내게 더 기도하지 깨어있는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해 난 날아가 like a bird all night 짙은 고민의 불빛 아래 찬란한 밤 우리의 night flight 잠들지 못한 제발 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 별에 바라보고 있어 어둠 속 날 떠올리는 이유 세상에 어떤 언젠가는
For the time. I like how grainy the music video is though. It's very grainy. It's very intentional. Why is the song so short, Coral? Why is the song so fucking short? It's just like barely 3 minutes. What the hell? Anyways, let's move on to Dance With You. This is our last track. Love You, Hininkai. Oh my god, this man. Coral, I saw his cosplaying as like the Tokyo Ghoul. Mama. No. That is my last breath. 3, 2, 1, play. Y'all better not sleep on Sweet's vocals though. 너를 알고 싶어 깊은 맘의 끝까지 Slow down 너를 되감으면 난 네 거리 죄지 네 움직임에 난 매료돼 너의 마주에 들진 숨쉬는 타임까지 같았으면 해 Why is he so hot? 나란히 발을 맞춰 맞아 손끝으로 너를 가 He is so hot bro. I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you 마치 십장 위로 너와 함께 추는 춤 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 날 맡긴 I can have his babies I wanna dance with you And Beck is real Hey Boy, he's really saying I'm gonna be sexy in this dancing video Yeah, I will dance with you, bitch Oh god You better be on point Oh, he really saying on point, mama, on point I wanna dance with you One step, two steps 다가가게 더 가까이 내게 I heard you filmed this in Mexico? You filmed this abroad, I heard God, the It really gets very raspy too. He really says rhythm. Hey, dance with you. Hey. Oh, you better dance. Okay, I need to see the live performance of this, not gonna lie. Oh. Hey. Hey. Oh. God.
Step
Wow. But he is so hot. He is so hot, mama. Yeah, he filmed this abroad. Yeah, it's either in Mexico or something. Somewhere in South America. That was so good, mama. That was so good. I enjoyed it. And that's how we wrap up our reactions. Anyways, that is all my reactions to all of the solo tracks from Subin to Yeonjun to Bomgyu, Taeyeon, and Hyunin guys. Solo tracks for Tomorrow by Together's newest album, The Star Chapter Together. Yeah, I love all of these songs so bad. But again, I'll preference wise, I will still be with Take My Half. Take My Half has my heart, my soul, my everything. Okay? Okay, so let's start off with general thoughts before we go to the individual ones. So, general thoughts, I like how different the music videos are. I mean every single track is different. But these single tracks that they have or these solo tracks that they have, they really showcase how can they shine individually, not just as a group. Like they really say, I can shine individually just like how I do as a group. Like when we do as a group, we promote shit together. But when we, do some individual things, they really do things. Okay, so I'm glad that they showcase their individuality, their charms, and things that they can show that they cannot show as a group. Because again, there is a difference between being a group member, because of course you're sharing your energy with them, versus being a solo artist. Like, although there is pressure on being a solo, because there are no group members with you, you carry all of the energy, you carry all of the theme, you carry all of the concept alone. So it is a challenge on how are you going to showcase your individuality without relying onto anyone and being just dependent on yourself. And I'm glad that through these music videos we got to see more of their charms, their strength as an individual artist, and how their individual separate energies really complement well as a group. Okay, so Subin Sunday Driver, the fact that I'm filming this on a Sunday. Okay, on a Sunday morning at past 3 a.m. Yes, I'm filming this at past 3 a.m. It's a good tune for us for a Sunday. It's a good tune for a Sunday. Like, the song is really giving road trips, Sunday drive, and I'm just glad that on Subin's song, he's just very casual. He's just in for a ride. Of course, he just takes care of the plants. He has themed CDs. But I like the fact that he's just chill. He's just casual. He's very much there. He's very much there. He's really enjoying the casual sun ride. But of course, still belting his vocals in the background. And I also like how they also incorporated the animation, which was also done on Taehyun and Bomgyu's music videos. It's interesting that they incorporated some animation here and there. Interesting. But Subin is really more youthful. It's very Sunday. It's very motivational, calm, composed, chill, but at the same time, refreshing. It's refreshing to hear. It's refreshing to watch. And I'm glad that Subin took this route so that he can show that, hey, I can be your casual Sunday driver and I can drive wherever you want to, casually on a chill note. So I like that for him. Yeonjun's Ghost Girl. He really say, I am the baddest bitches of them all. He really say, I can smoke. I am an adult. Fuck those bitches for saying that I cannot smoke. Yes, I can smoke. Yes, I can use lighters. Yes, I can be a meanie. Yes, I can paint. I can paint a girl, but that can be me. That can be me, mama. I can be his ghost gay. I can be if there's no ghost girl, I can be his ghost gay. For real. Like, he really say, I am the baddest bitches of them all. And he's so fun with those hairstyles, mama. Like, wow, Yanjun. Plus, he's bulking up lately. Like, oh my god, this man is a wrecker. If you're gonna ask me who is my old wrecker for the group, definitely Yeonjun. Yeonjun, Yeonjun, Yeonjun is a threat to the society, to the community, to the universe in the best way possible. He is a fine ass man. Ever since I've seen his solo debut with Gum, Coil, I cannot with that man. But I'm glad that he had another solo track to showcase more of his side. Like you can tell that Yeonjun is really leaning more onto baddie, more bad bitch vibes, and I'm glad that he took that route so that he can showcase more of his duality. But and also it incorporates with his whole image and his whole branding, his whole identity. It really gives. It really gives. May not be my fave track though, but I love it. I love it even more after hearing it for multiple times. Bomb Use, Take My Half, my favorite track. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to other members. I love you guys so so much. Y'all can take me. I can take y'all. But Bomb You, I better hear him on OSTs. I better hear him on K-dramas, movie soundtracks. He really like that song is really giving. I can listen to this on the radio. I can listen to this as a background on the film. Like God, this song, I can see it on either a coming of age film or a heartbreaking one. I can actually hear it. Or or maybe it is suitable more for K dramas. I can hear it also on K dramas, the ones on TVN and on SBS, MBC, KBC, KBS, JTBC. Yes. I can hear it on K dramas. I can hear it. Like his vocals, mama. Like his vocals, it's it's heartfelt. It's full of heart, and he really does carry balance. Like I really do think Bombyu's strength vocally is really more onto the balance, and I want to hear him sing more balance. Also, of course, he does sound well with pop songs, but ballad is like genre, like his genre of music, his genre of style. His sound is very balladier. The next balladier of Korea, I will say. Not even joking. Like I can, which is why it is my favorite track because that's how powerful and impactful his vocal is. And watching the music video, it even elevated my listening experience. That man is so fine. He's also bulking up too. Well, I can take him. I can take him in front and in the back alongside the other members. And I will be very thankful for that. Next up, Kang Terry, Taehyun, another hottie. Well, that man. Woo! That man. That man who also went to Cebu. My god. Woo! That man is so hot. But girl, his vocals too. Like, aside from Bongyu, I also love Taehyun's vocals. Because I can already imagine him singing this. He's really when he sings, it's so heartfelt. It's full of heart. It's full of energy. He's singing like so many divorces have happened to his life. So many heartbreaks. So many fucked up shits. Like it's giving. It's giving on the best way possible. It's giving on the best way possible to the point that his energy is really, really setting it up. Like it's setting the mood. It's really setting the mood, mama. And I'm very much here for it. Like, God, he is so hot. He's so hot, but his vocals make it even hotter. The lyrics though, the lyrics is quite giving. Just like also Bomgyu. I also forgot to mention the lyrics of Bomgyu's song is also giving. But the editing of the music video and Taehyun singing that song as a whole, he really say, I'm the bird of the night. I can fly and sing on the night sky. And also like the editing of the music video. Out of all the music videos that we've seen here, I like Taehyun the most. It's grainy, it has the theme, it has the vibe, And aesthetically speaking, I love it. I love Taehyun's music video for some reason. It really highlights Taehyun as an artist for some reason. I like his music. I really like it. My fave music video, even though I have my fave song. And last but not the least, Hyunin Kai. Hyunin Kai, I can take his seeds. I can take his babies. Yes, Mpreg is real. I mean, we even have ABO Desire. Yes, we even have an Omega Verse show. So, Mpreg is real, mama. But, Hyunin Kai. He really say, I will dance in this music video. He really say, I can do on-point choreography. He can do on-point dance steps. And with the cap, bitch. Oh my god, he is so hot. He's so hot, Corp! He's so hot. He's so fine. He's so fine. But Coral, like, dancing-wise, it's on point. Vocal-wise, it's uniquely pleasant. It's pleasant. It's it's a breath of fresh air to my ears, by the way. And whenever I hear him, it's breathy, it's nasally, but at the same time, it's also raspy. Like he can take a combination of ballads and dance songs. He can do the dance ballads. That's it. And I really like his vocals, but I heard, correct me if I'm wrong, but I heard that he filmed the music video on Mexico or somewhere in South America. He filmed it abroad. I'm not sure if it's Mexico or somewhere, but it's definitely on the West, as I've heard. Bitch, it really suits him. It really suits him. He's really hot. He's really hot. But the song is good. The song is good, and it's just a dance song. It's a dance song that is very unique. It's dance song that's very unique, very him, and he really say, I can be a hot ass sexy dancer. That can also say very, very fine. Fine, okay? Fine. And I love that. Overall, I really, really like these music videos. I love it. Again, I already mentioned my favorite music video is Taehyun's Breath of the Night. My fave song will always be Bumgyu's Take My Half. Bumgyu can take me wherever he wants to. I can take all of them, not gonna lie. I can take all of them. Yes, that's all I can say. I can take all of their seeds. But I like how individual this music video is. Like, it's giving, it's very them, very much here for it, and I'm excited to see more of their music as this next year will be their 7th year, right? So I know for the fact they're gonna be going past the 7th year curse. I've been hearing positive feedback about it so far, and I know for the fact they're gonna stay together as a group. I like these music videos, and I cannot wait to see how things will go as TXT continues to flourish their career as idols in South Korea and around the world as well. That will be all for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my reactions to the solo tracks from Subin, Yeonjun, Bumgyu, Taehyun, and Hyunin Kai for Tomorrow by Togethers, the Star Chapter Together with yours truly here on my channel. And if this gets blocked, it will automatically be on my Patreon. Highlight version will be on YouTube. If you guys had this video, give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down your thoughts about these music videos. Do you guys like it? Do you guys enjoyed it? What are your thoughts about these music videos? What is your favorite solo track from the album? What is your favorite track of the album, including the solo tracks, and also the group tracks as well? Let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin yan. And I hope to see you on my other BL, shells, and other LGBT couples related content, as well as more K-pop, P-pop, and T-pop related reactions. So stick around, stay tuned for more. That being said, this is So Speak. Thank you all so much for watching, and see y'all again next time. Bye bye. 감사합니다.